Welcome to the Divine Healing session. Today I have decided to create distance group healing. What is that? Many people come to me and tell me to give them Reiki personally, but it is not possible due to the time factor or due to the reason that we cannot directly go to that person if that person is living far off. I decided that I'll create a session where you can get this beautiful divine energy sitting at your home, looking in front of the camera or your mobile. You are just the taker. Any problem you have, physical, mental, spiritual, no problem. This energy will do the work for you. It knows what to do, when to do, and how much to do. And even if you want to do healing for somebody, if your children are facing some problem, your parents are facing some problem, if your pet is facing some problem, you can tell them to be with you and get this energy, or you can do that on behalf of them as well. Just imagine them, and this energy, beautiful energy, will do the beautiful healing for that person. Or you can send this video across to people so that they can do the healing as well, or you can do it for them as I said, and you can come to this video again and again to get this. I cannot just describe in words the amount of grace and bliss this energy has. And if you want to contact me personally, I can do that as well. Just contact me. I can directly do the healing for you. Currently I am doing healing for a person who is living approximately 500 kilometers away. So if I can do that for somebody who is 500 kilometers away, I can do that for somebody who is 5,000, 50,000 kilometers away as well. So without wasting your time, let's start. Just get the feel of it. Maybe this is the first time, no problem. Just let that energy come to you. I'll do the work. What I will do, first we need to create a divine environment. How to do that? First I will just spray the perfume. Wow, the environment has to be soothing. It has to be beautiful. I have got crystals with me. I'll not just do healing, I'll do crystal healing. I will do chakra cleaning. It will be a half-hour session, but it will be amazing. And then we will also light so this will also, it will give you a feeling of prayer. The beautiful energy will just blow your mind. Excellent. So it has. What else, dear friends? What else? One more thing. Whenever we will do Reiki, first of all, we do cleansing. How do you do cleansing? All the negative energies surrounding the people who want to consume that energy, and the negative energy is in front of me. I have put, this is a bowl with water and salt in it. So I'll just take all the energy away and put it in the bowl. And once this session is over, I will again throw this water away. I do multiple sessions in a day. I just love it. I do it for myself first. I get cleansed completely in the morning, and then one by one I do it for other people. So let's begin. Just let this energy come to you. Half an hour session. Please don't get up in between. If you want, you just take a break right now, get totally refreshed, and then come back. So I'll just start this session. I'll keep a timer for 30 minutes, and then once these 30 minutes are over, we will begin the work. Definitely. So I just started the timer, and I'll arrange it for 45 minutes. Sorry, just 30 minutes. So I have just put the alarm for 30 minutes. I have put it on aeroplane mode, so nobody will disturb me and tell me that please give us Reiki immediately. What I'll do, I'll just give you a brief. One by one, I'll do your chakra healing. There are 7 chakras, starting from the root chakra to the crown chakra. In Sanskrit, it is called Muladhara chakra, Swadhisthana chakra, Manipur chakra, Anahat chakra, Vishuddhi chakra. Then this is third eye chakra, or what they call Ajna chakra. And finally the crown chakra, Sahasrara chakra. And then I will do healing on all the important points. If you meet me personally or you tell me to do distance healing on a one-to-one basis in front of the camera, if you are living in United States, UK, you tell me, Tarun, please give me Reiki distance healing, we can do that on a camera. You can look at me and I will do the healing. You'll get a beautiful feel of it. Just be positive, just have faith in that energy. I will do crystal healing. I will draw the symbols in my mind. Sometimes I'll draw like this. If somebody is aware of Reiki, there are 4 symbols. Chokure, I'll do like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then there is Chokure's power symbol. Then this is Seiki. Then there is one distance healing symbol, Honsha, Zeisho, Nen, and Daikomyu, the master symbol. So when I'm doing Reiki, these 2 crystals will be in my hand throughout. They will keep on giving you beautiful, beautiful vibes, wonderful colors. The more you get tuned with the energy, the more you will understand the effect you will get. So these will be always in my hand for these 30 minutes, and one by one for some time I'll do chakra healing. For 1 or 2 minutes I will spend on each chakra. I'll explain you the philosophy, the theory later on, and then all the important points I will give you healing. The brain part, then this forehead part, then this throat part, then this heart part, then this liver and stomach part. We will do healing to all these points, and that will mark the end of this session. Right? So let's start. Just close your eyes and let that beautiful energy. I just can't wait for this. So let's begin. Let me put my glasses off. There is no point in looking at me. And in between I'll just do like this. So I'm not giving you blessing. What I'm doing in fact is I'm just making sure that energy is flowing to you. I'll have these crystals in my hand, and I'll also draw all the symbols one by one in my mind. And sometimes without understanding I might just start doing these symbols, because I also just get lost in that beautiful state. So instead of drawing symbols in my mind, I start drawing like this, the beautiful 4 symbols. Don't worry about that. I am the one doing the job for you. I am the channel. Reiki is coming through me to you. So let me do what I want to do. You just consume. And after 30 minutes, if you are in a positive state of mind, this will be the one of the best days of your life that I can guarantee you. Let's start. First of all, I'll thank Reiki. This time when I'm doing Reiki, I'll just chant a few things. Later on, when we do individual Reiki sessions, I will not chant anything. I will not speak anything loudly. First of all, we will thank Reiki. Thank you so much, Reiki, for blessing us. Thank you so much, God, for giving us an opportunity for this session. Thank you so much, our parents, our teacher, and the creator of this beautiful energy, Dr. Mikao Usui. Now we will chant the 5 beautiful principles. Just for today, I'll not get angry. Just for today, I'll not worry. Just for today, I will do my work honestly. Just for today, I will have gratitude towards all. Just for today, I will have sympathy for every living being, be it man or animal or plant. First of all, I will draw an aura, a beautiful aura, so no negativity can come to you. Feel the energy. The divine crystals are creating the aura. Feel the magic of the crystals, the beautiful divine crystals. Now let's start our chakra healing. Let's start with the root chakra, the Muladhara chakra. It is red in color. Lam. Let's move upwards 3 to 4 inches below our navel to the Swadhisthana chakra. The process of healing has begun. Amazing. I am happy, peaceful and blissful. Thank you so much, God, for giving me a wonderful life. Thank you so much, God. Now the energy has slowly moved upwards to the third chakra, the Manipur chakra, yellow in color. Ram. 3 to 4 inches above our navel area, below our heart. Imagine the chakra as a kind of wheel or as a flower which is gradually opening upon its healing. Once we are moving upwards, the flower again closes. Now the divine energy chakra is moving upward. The healing energy is moving upward towards the heart chakra, Anahat chakra. Green in color. Feel the beautiful energy. All our problems, all the negativity, stuck up energies are getting dissolved. They are getting converted into beautiful, powerful, positive energy. Gradually, the energy is moving upwards towards our throat chakra, the Vishuddhi chakra. Ram. Blue in color. Amazing. Thank you so much, God, for giving me amazing life. Gradually, the energy is moving upwards towards our third eye, Ajna Chakra. Indigo in color. It is getting healed. Let it get healed. Let the positive divine vibrations enter into our Ajna Chakra. The beautiful, the divine energies from the crystals are helping to heal our chakras. One chakra is our Shiv chakra, another is Shakti chakra. Let the healing proceed upwards towards the Sahasrar chakra, towards the crown chakra, violet in color. Thank you so much, God, that we have understood the importance of the chakras. Amazing. Experience the beautiful energies coming into you. Thank you, God, for healing all our chakras. Now let us start healing important points in our body. First, let us draw the beautiful symbols. I am drawing it in my mind, and I will also draw with my finger to expedite our energy flow. First, I will draw Chokure symbol, the power symbol. Chokure, Chokure, Chokure. Chokure, Chokure, Chokure. Now let's go to the other symbol, Sehki, the balance symbol. It will add balance to your life, composure to your life. Now we will get the power of the distance symbol, the Hon Sha Zesho Nen. Hon Sha Zesho Nen. Hon Sha Zesho Nen. Hon Sha Zesho Nen. Now we will take the power of the master symbol, Dai Ko Myo. Now Reiki, please heal our back of the brain. And through the back of our brain, please heal our mind, body and soul. Experience the beautiful energies entering the back of your brain. You can just put here, your hands here in this form. Or just let the energy come to you. A Reiki practitioner will do this for you. Even if I am not able to touch you, still I can imagine the energies pouring in to your brain. Reiki is doing the work. It is giving beautiful energies to our brain. Whatever stuck up energies are there in the brain, they are gradually getting dissolved, getting converted into pure, the positive energies. Thank you so much, Reiki. Thank you so much, Reiki, for healing our brain. Divine Reiki, now heal our forehead. We need to just do like this. A Reiki practitioner will do for you. You just let it come to you. The energy is gradually entering your forehead. And through the forehead, it is entering your mind, body and soul. All the negative energies are getting converted into the positive energies, the divine energies. The symbols are expediting the beautiful flow of energies. The 4 symbols. Chokure, chokure, chokure. Sehki, sehki, sehki. Honsha Zeshonen, Honsha Zeshoden, Honsha Zeshonen. Thank you so much, Reiki, for healing our forehead. Now, Reiki, please heal the area of our throat. And by entering through the throat, please heal our mind, body, and soul. The beautiful chakra energies are entering your throat. Feel the divine bliss. Thank you so much, God, for giving me a wonderful life. I am happy, peaceful, and blissful. Let the beautiful divine energies enter your throat. Feel the beautiful energy, the divine moments. Now let us move downwards. First, we have to thank Reiki for healing our throat. Now, dear Reiki, please heal our heart. Beautiful divine energies are entering our heart, and through our heart they are entering our mind, body, and soul. Thank you so much, God, for healing our heart. We will also give 4 symbol energy to our heart. Chokure, chokure, chokure. Seheki, seheki, seheki. Honsha Zesho Nen, Honsha Zesho Nen, Honsha Zesho Nen. Dicomio, dicomio, dicomio. Thank you so much, Reiki. Now, Reiki, please heal our liver, stomach and spleen. Beautiful Reiki energy is entering our liver, stomach and gradually entering our mind, body and soul. Feel the energy, all the negative energies in your body, the negative energies, stuck up energies in our mind. They are getting converted into positive energies. Thank you so much, Reiki. Thank you so much, Reiki. Again, we will draw the 4 powerful symbols along with doing the crystal Reiki. Chokure, chokure, chokure. May Lord give power to all. May Reiki give power to all. Seheki, seheki, seheki. May God bring balance and composure in our lives. Honsha Zeshonen, Honsha Zesho. May my divine brothers, my friends, all over the world get healed. Daikomyo, the master symbol, giving power and energy to all. Now gradually, let's open our eyes. Thank you so much. A divine aura had been built. Again, I am creating a divine aura. So these beautiful energies will stay with you. No negative energies will ever come to you. Thank you so much, Reiki. Thank you so much, Reiki. So how was your experience? I'm sure it would have been a wonderful experience, provided you have taken it with an open mind. It was all for you. It was between Reiki and you. I was just a channel. I had just done certifications. I am just initiated by a master, by a guru. And I'm ready to heal people in the world. You can contact me and gradually I will also initiate you so that you can do Reiki yourself and you can also gradually initiate other people. Now we will just take away all the negative energies. You can put the bowl here and just take the energies like this. Throw it away. Throw it away. Throw it away. You are totally healed. Watch this video as many times as you can in the morning. Do the healing like this. Let me take away all my negative energies because I have to heal other people as well. I'm sure it would have been a beautiful experience. Contact me if you want me to do a personal healing. if you want me to do distance healing in front of a video or camera, so that you will enjoy that experience even more. Thank you so much.